In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename projects in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to keep your editing work organized, renaming your projects is a simple but very useful thing to know. As you create more timelines, test versions, and client edits, clear project names can make everything much easier to find later. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this only takes a few clicks. To begin, look down at the bottom right corner of the DaVinci Resolve window. You'll see the Home button there. Go ahead and click it. This takes you out of the current editing interface and brings you back to the Project Manager, which is where all of your saved projects are displayed. If you're currently inside a project, this is the place you need to return to before you can change its name. Once you're in the Project Manager, find the project you want to rename. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several projects with similar names. Staying organized here can help you avoid confusion later, particularly when you're working on multiple versions of the same edit. Now right-click on the project you want to rename. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Rename. As soon as you do that, the project name will become editable, and you can type in the new name you want to use. After entering the updated name, simply confirm it the way DaVinci Resolve allows on your system, and the project will now appear with its new title. That's it, the rename is complete. A quick tip here is to use project names that are clear and specific. For example, include the version, date, or purpose of the edit if that helps your workflow. That can save you time when you come back later looking for a particular project. So again, the process is very straightforward. Click the Home button in the bottom right corner, locate your project in the Project Manager, right-click it, and choose Rename. Once you type the new name, your project is updated and easier to identify. That's all you need to do to rename a project in DaVinci Resolve. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your editing workspace clean and organized.